4's Clubhouse. Oh my, 4's Clubhouse. It's 4's Clubhouse. Come and that is fun size. 4's Clubhouse. Character time. Fire, Daisy, Whoopsie, David, Flango, man, girl, Fairy, and Horn right here. It's 4's Clubhouse. Come inside for her. 4's Clubhouse. It's 4's Clubhouse. And today's adventure is Fire's bird. Tweet, tweet. Na, na, na. Hi, bro. Look at your ghost. It's the picture puzzle. Will help me solve the puzzle? Great. Picture puzzle. Picture puzzle. Picture's that. Gosh, what animal's that? Yup, it's a baby bird, right? Dang, 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 dang. We got a visitor enter our clubhouse. Let's go open the door. Fire! Hi, Fire. What you brought? I brought a nest. Golly. Tweet, tweet, tweet. What you got a name? Baby red bird. Baby red bird. Tweet, tweet. Whoa. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Look, I had tasty sandwich. I got it. Oh dear, baby redbird's making a mess. We gotta catch him. Not again. Baby redbird, where are you, little red bear? Not being baby redbird. Call out, tweet, tweet with me. Tweet, 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 tweet. Louder, tweet, 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 tweet. Hello, baby redbird. Meaning his home to his mommy redbird. Let's go to the forest and need something. Will it help us get it? Will it help me and Fire get to baby redbird back home to his mommy? You have great. Come on, everyone. Let's go to the our dorketool. Dorka hey, dorka high, dorka home. Dorka ready, dorka set, here we go. You're thinking of something before. Dorka me, dorka you, dorka door. Dorka me, dorka you, dorka door. Come on, Dorles, you gotta get to it. Now show us the dorketools how it's doing. Air tubes, gear, fan. We got pogo says boy, boy, boy. A blanket hat, that's nice and warm. Blueberries, yummy fruit for us to eat. And the rich dorketools. That surprise tool that they have was lit. He's here all the time. And when he comes in, the door will be there. We got our dorketools. Let's go rest. Let's go bring baby redbird back home to his mommy. But first, let's check the telescope to find the forest. Everybody say telescope. Telescope! The telescope help us see this from far away. Will you help us find the forest? Great. Is that a forest? Nope, that's a lake. Forests are made of trees. Let's keep looking. How about now? No, that's for park. Let's keep looking one more time. Is that 4's? Yes, there it is. You found it. How we get to the 4's? I know, we could take the balloon. Baby Redbird, we're taking home. Tweet, tweet, tweet. We're riding on a balloon. That's what you call a glove balloon. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Right, tweet, tweet. What the baby bird wants? He's hungry, but we don't bring any food. Huh, maybe Dorles can help us. Everybody say, oh, Dorles! Oh, Dorles! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Oh! Well, hiya, Dorles. Okay, we got pogo stick, a blanket, blueberries, and a mystery dorketool. Can you eat a pogo stick? Nope. That's for bouncing. That will work. What else can we pick? Blueberries. Yes. We got ears. Say cheers. Some blueberries, baby rapper. Yum. Thanks for feeding baby rapper, everyone. Tweet, tweet, tweet. I think baby rapper's cold. Maybe a dorketool that can help keep a baby redbird warm. Everybody say, oh, Dorles! Oh, Dorles! Tweet, tweet, tweet! Okay, we got pogo stick, a blanket, and the mystery dorketool. Which dorketool can we use to keep baby redbird warm? That blanket, yes! We got ears, say cheers. Oh, shucks. Thanks for helping to get baby redbird all warm again, everybody. Tweet, tweet, tweet. There's a forest. Let's go down there. Let's go! Down there. Look out! Those are 3 bluebirds to fly over me. Pop the balloon. Up and fly the balloon 3 times. Count with us. 1, 2, 3. We did it! Let's land out of the forest. We need to find the bird tree. Do you see bird tree? There. But we need to jump down, that's for sure. I think one of our dorky tools that can help us. Everybody say, oh, Dorles! Oh, Dorles! Tweet, tweet, tweet! All we got left are a pogo stick and the mystery dorky tool. I don't think the post stick will work, so let's pick the mystery dorky tool. Everybody say, mystery dorky tool! Mystery dorky tool! What's today's mystery dorky tool? A slide. Yes. Can we use it? Sure. We got a cheers. Slide down together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Slide! Made it down to the forest. Let's find the mommy redbird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Good idea. Let's hear to one of those birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. It's the mommy redbird. We found it. How we get all the way up there? Why don't we check for our dorky tools? Maybe they can help us. Everybody say, oh, Dorles! All we got left is a pogo stick. Can we use a pogo stick to get all the way up to Mommy Redbird? You betcha! We picked all of our dorketools. Everybody say, Super Cheers! Super Cheers! Here's your mommy redbird, baby redbird. Tweet, 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 tweet. Thanks for helping us find the baby redbird. Here's mommy. We gonna do that. Tweet, 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 tweet. Now let's stand up and do the hot dog dance. First, we need to go out to the clubhouse and do the hot dog dance. I know a shortcut can help us get back home. We'll see you next time, baby rapper. Tweet, 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 tweet. Hot dog. Hot dog. Hot dog, I dig it. Red ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, the promise. Hot dog, head dig it down. Thanks for helping us find the baby rapper's mommy. We could have done without you. Now kick out legs and let's do some more hot dog dance. Yay! What a hot dog day! Hot dog, hot diggy dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Hot dog, diggy dog. It's a brand new day. What you for? For that's me. And for Clubhouse. Thanks for stopping by. Dorka hey, Dorka high, Dorka home. Dorka ready, Dorka set, here we go. You're